If you've ever sliced into a steak you were sure was perfect, only to find it gray and overcooked inside, this might be the smartest kitchen upgrade you'll see all year. For home cooks who want precision without babysitting the oven, the Typhur Sync Oven promises to take the guesswork out of cooking. And after testing it, I have some thoughts. The Typhur Sync Oven is a 12-in-1 countertop air fryer toaster oven combo with something you don't usually see built into an oven at this size: a fully wireless smart meat thermometer probe. Not a separate gadget. Not something you have to pair every time. It lives inside the oven, charges magnetically, and automatically tracks internal temperature while you cook. That alone makes it stand out in a very crowded air fryer oven market. Let's start with design and build quality. This is a 27-quart stainless steel oven, and it definitely feels substantial. It's not flimsy, it's not rattly, and it doesn't feel like a temporary countertop appliance. It fits a 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound whole chicken, or 6 slices of toast comfortably. The front glass door is thick, the control panel is clean and modern, and the magnetic dock for the probe is built right into the unit, so you're not hunting for it in a drawer. Inside, you get dual heating elements and what Typhur calls a 360-degree turbo convection system. In practical terms, that means there's a powerful fan circulating hot air evenly around your food. It runs at up to 2,400 revolutions per minute, which sounds intense, but in real-world use, it's surprisingly controlled. Yes, you'll hear the fan. It's not silent, but it's comparable to most high-powered air fryer ovens and never distracting. Now let's talk about the feature that really matters: the built-in wireless probe. It's NIST verified and claims plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy with 5 internal sensors. What that means for you isn't a spec sheet brag. It means when you set your steak to medium rare, it actually stops cooking at medium rare. The oven automatically shuts off when the internal temperature hits your target. No wires hanging out the door. No separate apps fighting for Bluetooth. It just works. There are preset options for beef, fish, pork, lamb, and poultry, but you can also set custom targets. Through the Typhur app, you can monitor real-time temperatures, adjust cook time, and even run multi-stage cooking. One of the newer additions is their AI recipe generation. You can snap a photo of ingredients or type in a dish name, and it generates tailored cooking settings for the oven. Is it revolutionary? Maybe not. But for busy weeknights when you're staring at random ingredients, it's genuinely helpful. Performance-wise, it cooks fast. Compared to a traditional oven, it's noticeably quicker, especially for air frying and roasting. Wings come out crispy without drying out inside. Vegetables caramelize evenly. Toast is consistent across all slices. And because it's convection-based, you'll usually need slightly lower temperatures than package instructions suggest. Ease of use is another strong point. The interface is intuitive, and the app setup is straightforward. Cleaning is also relatively painless. The air fryer basket, wire rack, roasting pan, crumb tray, and the probe itself are dishwasher safe. The interior wipes down easily as long as you don't let grease sit for days. That said, it's not perfect. It takes up real counter space, and you'll need at least 4 inches of clearance around it for ventilation. If you have a small kitchen, measure first. It's also priced at the premium end of the air fryer oven category. If you just want basic toast and occasional frozen fries, this is probably more machine than you need. Compared to similarly priced large-capacity air fryer toaster ovens, what sets this apart is the fully integrated smart probe and tight app ecosystem. Many competitors offer smart features or convection power, but rarely both is seamlessly integrated. Who is this for? It's ideal for home cooks who care about doneness, families who cook proteins regularly, and anyone who likes the idea of automation without sacrificing control. If you love experimenting, hosting, or dialing in perfect results, you'll appreciate it. If you rarely cook meat or prefer ultra-simple appliances, you might not use its full potential. Final verdict: this is one of the most thoughtfully designed smart countertop ovens I've tested. It delivers on precision, speed, and versatility that if you want perfectly cooked meat without hovering over your oven, this might be worth a look. Check the link in the description for current pricing. And if this review helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews.